Okay, so Stas, please share your screen and then let's begin.
Do you see my screen?
Yep, I can. Loud and clear. Let's begin.
Okay, so today uh I'm gonna tell you about the outline of an argumentative essay, and here I have um as an essay prompt because those examples will relate to this prompt. First is about the introduction. The sentence one is the general and or the statement. Is this sentence is to introduce the general topic like um in the general topic of the prompt like it's prompt about the environment, so it talk about the environmental preservation.
Mm-hmm.
Sentence two is about uh, the is to narrow the focus of the specific issue in the prompt. People argue about plastic pollution is a complete prohibition on single-use plastic products like that. And the final sentence of introduction is the thesis statement and essay map. In this sentence, you will state your position and preview the main arguments. Here we have there are three types like strongly agree, strongly disagree, and the balanced options. So here is the disagree and the
Okay, thank you very much. So, um, we're off to a very good start. Thank you very much, too. So, now, you think that the introduction have three sentences, the general, and then the paraphrase, and then the thesis statement. Cái này mình gọi là thesis statement, nó cái câu này nó sẽ gọi là thesis statement thôi. So, I'm gonna ask you a question, V. I mean, Thư. What is the difference between sentence 1 and sentence 2?
sentence one like background of the prompt, and sentence two is like you focus more about the issue in the prompt.
Ok. Và nghĩa là hai câu này nó đều nói về cái background phải không? Nó chỉ là cái sentence one is like a more is like a broader and sentence two is like it's kind of become a bit more specific. Yeah. Okay. So, just one thing. Do you think that sentence one and sentence two can be combined together? And also why?
I think they can be combined.
Okay, okay, that's very good. Yes. Cho nên là một thứ để nói ha. Khi mình viết introduction á, thì đúng rất là tốt nếu mà em chia ra làm 3 câu. Câu đầu tiên như thế này, câu kia như thế kia, câu thứ hai như thế nọ, rất là tốt. Nhưng mà nếu mà trường hợp mình muốn nhanh ha, thì it's okay, mình sẽ chỉ cần hai câu thôi. Câu một á, là general. Câu 2 á, là thẳng vào thesis statement luôn. So, just a small suggestion, okay? Sentence 1 and 2 can be combined, alright? The function is talk about the background, alright? So yeah, just one idea to understand, okay? Thank you very much, Thu. Now, thesis statement, very good. Let's move to body paragraph 1. It's your turn to present again. Let's go.
Okay, so uh, about the body paragraph one is the first sentence is the topic sentence, and it will mention the main reason one why you agree or disagree with the prompt. And sentence two is explanation why or how this main reason appear. And the third is further development. This is to deepen the argument with a supporting factor. Like in this, they talk about the modern hospitals and food companies. Like yes, sentence 4 is the example. Uh, Sentence and the final sentence is the mini conclusions to summarize all the main point in this paragraph. Uh,
I don't have any problem with it. Thank you very much. It's very good. Yeah, but but you think that's that, eh? Nah, not really. Now, Thư, I want you to look at sentence 3 and sentence 4. Okay? So, in sentence 3, you mention modern hospital and food company, yeah? And then you mention cheap single-use material. That is the, in your words, by the way, further development, okay? And now, in the example, we have hospital, yeah? Uh, we have plastic cylinder such as syringe, bags for liquid, and gloves. Yes. So, Thư, what is the difference between sentence 3 and sentence 4? Um, by the way, thầy cho một cái hint nha. Nó sẽ liên quan đến cái việc là general hay specific. Ok, đó là cái hint. So yeah, let's go. What do you think about it?
Sentence 3 is like the general. It's mentioned the general, and 4 is the specific.
Where is the general part and where is the specific part?
The general part is like the modern hospital and food. No, it's cheap and single-use materials like it.
Đúng rồi. Yeah.
And specifically sirens bag for liquids and gloves.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Syringe, bags for liquid and gloves. That's the idea. So yeah, just one thing for you to understand. When you write these sentences, okay, it's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah. Thường thì thầy sẽ dạy cái câu số 3 này, thầy sẽ dạy là một cái idea khác ha. Là một cái bài body part 1 á, thầy sẽ có hai cái idea. You see? But just one thing though, one thing. If you write like this, remember that những em chỉ nói những cái gì đó nó cụ thể khi em viết cái câu example thôi, ok? Cheap single use material, ok, nó vẫn còn khá là general và nó thích hợp với cái câu là sentence 3. Nhưng mà qua sentence 4 thì á, chỗ này nè, em nên cho thầy biết những cái cheap single use material này là cái gì, ok? So, yeah, it's very good. Support the argument with a specific real world example. Very nice. Mini conclusion, tóm tắt lại những cái idea của mình. Xong, chấm hết. It's very good. Topic sentence, explanation, development, example, conclusion. Very nice. Now, Thư, again, your turn to body paragraph 2. Let's go.
So, body paragraph 2, the first 3 sentences is like kind of is similar to the body paragraph 1, but it will like related more about the policies or the it's just about the policies. And sentence 4 is a concession, like to acknowledge the strongest counter argument. And sentence 5 is the refutation. So you will refute the counter argument with the reasoning, with the logical reasoning, and sentence 6 is mini conclusion. So I'll talk to the
I am checking the body paragraph 1 and the body paragraph 2. You see? So let's think about this one. Body paragraph one is total ban is not practical because ABC. Okay. So you don't agree with the ban. I understand. Yes. Now on body paragraph two, you talk about the benefits. The best way to deal with plastic is to improve recycling laws and waste management instead of banning plastic completely. Yes. So, just one thing to understand, okay? To body paragraph one, you can think of it like an immediate solution, okay? Or basically like short-term solution. Huh. Short-term pollution. I mean, oh my god, sorry. Short-term solution. Đó là cái thứ em sẽ viết trong body paragraph 1. Nó sẽ mang tính là nó gần gũi hơn. And then in body paragraph 2, you're gonna write something broader, like in a more societal perspective, or like a policy perspective. Yes, it's very good. That's a very good way of thinking too. It's very nice. Đúng rồi. Đấy. Hmm. Okay. Explain easy. Yeah. Evidence. Yes. Now, Thư, I want to ask you about the concession and the refutation. So, again, Thư, why do you think that we need the concession and the refutation? And what happens if we don't include it in body paragraph 2? What happens?
I think we need to have the concession and the refutation because we can look at the problem with another view, and if we don't have the concession and refutation, I think uh, it's it's not enough to make sense about your in your essay.
Okay, it does make sense. So, Thư, do you think it is optional, or do you think it is very necessary to put the concession and the refutation? Optional or necessary? Thư?
It's optional.
Yes, it's optional. But remember, if you put the concession and the refutation into your essay, remember that your idea development will increase, and that will increase your task response criteria as well. Okay? So, yes, the concession and the refutation is optional, but if you have them, your essay will have a higher score. Okay? Remember that. Yeah? Tại vì thường á, mình không có được dạy mấy cái phần là concession với refutation trong cái bài. Cho nên là thường mình hay bị thiếu hoặc là quên hoặc là nói chung là không có rảnh để ghi. Nhưng mà it's okay. Không ghi cũng không sao. Nếu ghi thì càng tốt. Tại vì ghi sẽ giúp em tăng điểm task response. Task response là coi cái idea của em á, nó có được well developed hay không. Đó là cái idea. Okay? So, sentence 6, mini in conclusions, very good. Type of sentence, explanation, example, concession, repetition, and conclusion. Very nice. Very good. Now, Thư, please come to the final part, which is the conclusion. Thank you. That's all.
So the final part is the conclusion, and with the first sentence, I will rephrase my opinion using different words. Like it will not be repeat the introduction, and sentence 2 is to summarize the two main arguments and highlight the solution.
One more, I'm sorry, one small question too. So, sentence one, restatement of fact, of thesis, and sentence two, summary. Do you think that you can combine these two sentences into one?
I think no,
Why not?
because the first sentence is to um, restate the prompt, and the sentence two is the sentence one is restate, and the sentence two is the talk about my arguments
Mm,
and the solution.
exactly, exactly. Very good answer, too. So, remember something, okay? When you write the conclusion, it is very, very important that you show, or rather, you restate, okay? You restate your opinion, okay? And yes, just if you want to, just write one sentence for this, and then for the next sentence, you can write about the summary, like what happened here, the two main arguments, and the highlight of the balanced solution. Very good, Thư. Very nicely done. Thank you very much. So yeah, let's do it. Thank you. Rồi, thì như thế là coi như bây giờ ha, em biết cách làm một cái bài um, argumentative chưa?
I think yes.
All right. And also one thing. What okay, so in the past when you write argumentative essay, what was your weakness?
I think that my idea for the reason one and reason two is, and like I think it's just like the general. It's not so it's not too clear.
Exactly, right? I mean, not exactly, but yeah, I see your idea. Many people, they don't really, think much about the idea in the body one and body two. Thường người ta có cái khái niệm á, là mình có idea là quá tốt rồi. Ai rảnh mà còn thêm cái gì là cái body một là cái short term benefit, rồi body hai là long term benefit, phải không? But no, if you write like your outline, it's gonna be very good because now your outline and your ideas are very very well developed ha. Cho nên khi mà mình viết như thế á, như khi mình viết như cái sườn bài của em làm á, thì nó sẽ rất là tốt ha. So yeah, a very interesting idea for this too. Very nice. Thank you very much for spending time analyzing my essay, writing about what's going on, and creating an outline for yourself. Just